Welcome back to the lecture series of Rehabilitation with XR. Let's continue with the lecture on post-surgery rehabilitation. Orthopedic trauma is a significant challenge in modern healthcare, often leading to severe mobility restrictions, acute pain, and delayed motor recovery. The complex nature of orthopedic injuries, which include bone fractures, joint instability, and muscular atrophy, necessitates an integrated approach to rehabilitation beyond conventional physical therapy methods. In recent years, virtual reality technology has emerged as a promising solution in orthopedic rehabilitation. The technology enables clinicians to develop tailored VR rehabilitation programs for specific orthopedic impairments, addressing fine and gross motor skills crucial for recovery from complex fractures or spinal injuries. Studies show that VR can accelerate motor recovery by engaging patients in virtual environments that mimic daily activities, challenging their mobility, coordination, and pain thresholds. Next, we have Nintendo Wii Fit in the rehabilitation. The Nintendo Wii is a commercially available motion controlled video game system. Wii Fit includes a balance board similar in concept to a force plate. This balance board measures and interprets the pressure distribution of weight applied by the player and subsequently provides feedback on exercises performed or games played on the accompanying software. This system is marketed to the general public as a method of achieving fitness goals at home using a video game. However, there is a potential for this technology to be beneficial in physical rehabilitation setting. VFit games encourage lower extremity movement, challenge balance, and require the player to remain in a standing position during play. These activities have the potential to address rehabilitation goals involving recovery of lower extremity function. Rehabilitation after rotator cuff repair. Rotator cuff tear is one of the most common shoulder disorders. It affects almost 30% of individuals older than 60 years. Its prevalence nearly doubles to 60% in individuals aged 80 years. The predominant symptoms are pain and functional limitations in activities of daily living. The first line treatment for a rotator cuff tear is conservative management. Surgical rotator cuff repair (RCR) is required in cases of failed conservative management. Rehabilitation is essential for a good functional outcome after RCR. With advances in augmented reality, it has been opted for use in clinical medicine. AR rehabilitation helps with real time feedback as AR shows whether the arm is moving in the right angle, speed, or posture. Gamification and motivation. Rehab exercises can feel like interactive tasks or games, making patients more consistent. Remote monitoring. Clinicians can track progress through connected apps or cloud systems. Accessibility reduces the need for frequent hospital visits, which is useful for older adults or those far from rehab centers. Total hip arthroplasty (THA) is the most commonly used surgical procedure to restore hip functionality in patients with severe osteoarthritis or who have suffered injury after a fall. Virtual reality exposure therapy (VRET) has emerged as a promising technology driven rehabilitation modality that offers an innovative alternative to traditional methods. By utilizing immersive, interactive virtual environments, VRET enables patients to perform functional tasks within controlled and engaging settings. Growing clinical evidence supports VRET's efficacy in musculoskeletal rehabilitation, demonstrating its benefits in pain management, quality of life, balance, proprioception, muscle strength, and psychological outcomes. That's the end of Rehabilitation with XR lecture series. Until next time, take care of yourself.